Let us continue. Now we have access to all the edges of this flat surface. We might want to go curves, analysis, and look for endpoints. Drag and drop this one. And perhaps we want to find out the endpoints of this edge. So we connect over here and voila. Sometimes I like to go to display and there you have it. I can color one and I can color the second one, but one of them is going to have a different color. So let's say this one is going to be white. This is the end and this is the start. And you can change the size of that to maybe 0.1, 0.1, and increase it just a little bit from here. So if you want to find out the start and the end, it will be quite easy. This is the start, this is the end. How about this one? This is the start, this is the end. So you set the rules for the colors and it will be very simple to visualize on the canvas which is the start and which is the end.